Mumbai. Contrary to the suicide case, Disha Salina's father has petitioned the Bombay High Court claiming that his daughter was gang raped and then killed. Disha's case has garnered attention again, and rumors of a possible cover up to protect powerful people have emerged. Disha, who managed several Bollywood celebrities, died on June 8, 2020, allegedly after falling from a 14-story building. However, her father says this is a lie to cover up a crime. Allegations of political influence and suppression of evidence. According to Satish Salyan, political pressure was extended to shield those responsible. He claims that Dan Mumbai Mayor Kishori Pednekar placed him under house arrest and coerced him into supporting the police suicide theory. The petition further states that police officers were directed to suppress crucial evidence and manipulate the narrative to mislead the media and public. The high-profile party and alleged involvement of big names. According to reports, a high-profile party was hosted in Disha's apartment the night she passed away. Actor Suraj Pancholi and Dinu Moria, former Maharashtra Environment Minister Aditya Thackeray, and Thackeray's bodyguard were among the prominent figures allegedly there, according to the petition claims. Aditya Thackeray allegedly called senior police officers several times, giving them orders to dispose of evidence and compel witnesses into remaining silent. Disturbing discrepancies in the investigation. Several inconsistencies in the case further fueled suspicions. Disha's body reportedly showed no head injuries or fractures, unusual for a fall from such a height. No blood stains were found at the scene where she allegedly landed. The society's CCTV footage from that night mysteriously vanished. Digital forensic evidence, including text messages and phone records, was allegedly erased to strengthen the suicide theory. Demand for justice. Petition seeks independent probe. Satish Salyan's petition demands a new investigation, claiming the prior one was compromised, and supports BJP leader Nitish Rane's accusation against Aditya Thackeray. Rane wants former NCB officer Samir Wankhede to lead the inquiry, believing new evidence will reveal the truth. Political battle intensifies. The Shiv Sena Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray strongly opposing the accusation. The case has brought back conflicts over politics. Sanjay Raut, the party spokesperson, said the accusations are baseless and rejected them as an effort to distract attention. However, the matter is likely to spark an uproar in Maharashtra's political circles due to new evidence and requests for an investigation. The mysterious connection to the unexpected death of Sushant Singh Rajput. Disha passed away exactly 1 week before to the tragic passing of Sushant Singh Rajput on June 14, 2020. Many people think there is a connection between the two incidents, implying that the event leading up to Sushant's apparent suicide were significantly influenced by Disha's passing. The most recent events have rekindled rumors of a wider conspiracy that is still hidden behind layers of crime and political secrecy. What happens next? With the Bombay High Court now involved, all eyes are on the judiciary's response to these grave allegations. Will the court order for a fresh investigation? Will the powerful figures named in the petition be held accountable? Or will this case, like many others, be lost in the corridors of power? The coming days may finally shed light on one of Bollywood's most controversial and mysterious deaths. Until then, the fight for justice continues.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.